You might start feeling a little bit of a downgrade in the car's engine after a year or two of purchase. If you use your car regularly, you will notice that your car is not accelerating as fast as it used to, where the engine isn't smooth anymore compared to when it was brand new. If you are facing such a type of downgrade in the engine, it might be time for you to perform thorough maintenance of your car's engine parts. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best fuel injector cleaner in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Chevron Fuel Injector Cleaner. Since a lot of consumers prefer buying popular options, we will start off our picks with a brand called Chevron. This is a widely renowned brand for motor oil and fuel injector cleaners. In the first place, we are putting the Chevron Techron System Cleaner. This happens to be the most popular option available on our picks of the best fuel injector cleaners. This is a bottle of 20-punch cleaning solution which is designed with highly ergonomic design for easy application. Once this solution is in your car's system, it will clean, restore, and protect your system for a very long time. Number 2. Redline Fuel Injector Cleaner. Compact fuel injector cleaning bottles are certainly easier to handle and use. Therefore, we are including the following option from Redline next in our list. In the third position, we have yet another highly popular option for the best fuel injector cleaner. The Redline 60103 SI1 cleaner is also a complete solution for a variety of engine and fuel-related problems in a car. Also, you will be getting 2 bottles of solution with a volume of 15 ounces each, making the total cleaner volume about 30 ounces. Number 3. Foam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner. Now that you are familiar with the premium options available in the market for fuel injector cleaners, let us talk about what you will get within an affordable range. Foam is one such brand that offers a great solution within a very cheap price range. The Foam IC5 is one of the cheapest options you can find in the market for a fuel injector cleaning solution. Within a highly affordable price range, Foam IC5 offers about 5.25 ounces of cleaning solution per bottle. Once you start using the solution, you will notice a lot better performance since it thoroughly cleans the fuel injectors and restores its spray patterns. Number 4. Berryman Fuel Injector Cleaner. Berryman is also a highly affordable brand which also deals with many maintenance-related products. Berryman offers fuel additives, cleaners, lubricants, and much more. Up next, we have yet another cheap option for a fuel injector cleaner. In fact, it is actually the cheapest option available on our picks today. This bottle of cleaning solution offers a volume of 15 ounces, which is still a good option for both personal as well as professional applications. This solution also offers 100% high-energy solvent, which makes sure that your fuel injectors are thoroughly cleaned. Apart from that, it will also clean the intake ports and valves altogether. Number 5. Royal Purple Fuel Injector Cleaner. Royal Purple is yet another budget-friendly brand that you will find in our list. It also manufactures various maintenance-related products such as motor oil and drivetrain oil. The Royal Purple 18000 is yet another budget-friendly option that is simply ideal for personal use. By simply looking at the design of the canister, you can tell that it has an ergonomic design that lets user safely pour the content into the engine. Royal Purple is offering 6 ounces of solution in a pack, which might be little less for multiple applications. That was our list of the top 5 best fuel injector cleaner in 2023 just for you.